Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Instagram Restyle something went wrong error while accessing the Restyle option on Instagram app. So if you are also into the same situation and coming through the problem of Instagram story Restyle something went wrong error, then go through the methods discussed in this video. What you need to do is just you have to first restart your phone once, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. So simply click on the power button and then select restart. So this is a restart of phone. Once your phone restarts, now launch Instagram app and then check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to force stop the app. For that, click and hold the Instagram icon. Now click on app info. After that, click on force stop and then click on force stop option. So this will force stop the app. After that, launch the app and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to clear the cache of the app. For that, click on storage uses, click on clear cache. Once you have done this, go back, launch the Instagram app and then check whether Restyle option is working or not. If not, you should check if the app needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Instagram, and here you have to check if any update is available. If yes, update your Instagram app to the latest version, and after that launch the app and then check whether the Instagram Restyle something went wrong problem is resolved or not. So after doing this, you can restart your device once after you have done all the methods discussed in this video. Now restart your phone once, and after that launch Instagram app. Now after you open the app, just for example, just click the picture over here, and after that click over here and then click on Restyle option. So you can see that the Restyle option is working without any kind of issues. So by this way you can easily resolve the Restyle something went wrong problem on Instagram app without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.